Hello everyone, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want more privacy when browsing on your Galaxy S26? In this video, I'll show you the secret mode settings in Samsung Internet that you can adjust to protect your browsing activity, secure private tabs, and control how the browser handles trackers. So let's get started. For starters, secret mode is Samsung Internet's private browsing feature. It works similarly to incognito mode and does not save your browsing history, search history, or cookies after you close your secret mode tabs. And here's how to access and manage its settings on the Galaxy S26 series. To begin, open the Samsung Internet app. You can launch it from the home screen or through the apps tray. Once the browser is open, tap the More icon represented by the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Personal Browsing Data. Here you'll find Delete Browsing Data, Autofill Forms, and Secret Mode Settings. Before opening Secret Mode Settings, here's a quick look at the other options in this section. Tap Delete Browsing Data if you want to clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images, and files. Clearing this data can help free up storage and may resolve issues such as slow browsing or browser crashes. Choose the data you want to remove, then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. You can also tap Autofill Forms to manage saved passwords, profile information, and payment details that Samsung Internet can use to fill out online forms faster. Now, return to the Personal Browsing Data menu. Then tap Secret Mode Settings. This is where you can set a password, enable biometric access, manage screenshots, configure tracking protection, and adjust other private browsing options. First, turn on the switch next to Use Password. Create a secret mode password with at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the password. You can also enable biometrics as another way to unlock secret mode. After setting a password, return to the secret mode settings menu. If you want links open from other apps to launch directly in secret mode, turn on Open Links from other apps in secret mode. Leave it turned off if you prefer links to open in normal browsing mode. To update your secret mode password later, tap Change Password. Enter your current password, then follow the on-screen instructions to create a new one. Now, let's check the biometric options. Turn on the switch next to Face if you want to use face recognition to unlock secret mode. If face recognition is not set up yet, your Galaxy S26 will guide you through the setup process. You can also turn on fingerprints if you prefer using your fingerprint. Enter your current secret mode password when prompted. You can also control screenshots in secret mode. Turn on the screenshot option if you want to allow screenshots while browsing privately. Turn it off if you want to prevent screenshots from being taken in secret mode. Next, look for the option that keeps secret mode active after you close Samsung Internet. Turn it on if you want the browser to remain in secret mode when you reopen it. Turn it off if you want Samsung Internet to return to normal browsing mode after closing the app. Now let's move on to Smart Anti-Tracking. Tap Smart Anti-Tracking. Then choose the level of tracker protection you want to use in secret mode. The default option is Standard. This blocks most trackers while allowing trackers that some websites need to function properly. For stronger protection, choose Strict. Strict mode blocks all trackers, but some websites may not work properly, and ads may be less personalized. You can also turn on automatic verification. This helps Samsung Internet skip CAPTCHAs on supported websites and can reduce the amount of verification data shared with sites. Adjust these settings based on your privacy needs and the websites you use. If you ever want to start over, tap Reset Secret Mode. Read the warning message, then tap Reset to confirm. This restores secret mode settings to their default values. Now that your secret mode settings are configured, here's how to start browsing privately. Open the Samsung Internet app. From the main browser screen, tap the Tabs icon at the bottom right corner, located between the Home icon and the More icon. On the next screen, tap the Secret Mode icon, which looks like a pair of sunglasses. Then tap Start. You can now browse websites in secret mode with the privacy settings you selected. And that's all there is to this guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, consider watching our other videos for more smartphone tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this one.